Welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. Today, we're going to talk about how well the corn planter did that we bought a few weeks ago. As you can see, first thing we're going to have to do is weed this today, and we're also going to give it a little fertilization. So let's get to it. All right, let's walk through here and look how well this corn planted, and then we're going to take another look once we weed it all out. But it planted pretty good. The spacing is a little far for what I wanted. We missed a couple spots, but you can see right here is a little video of the actual planter working. I was super busy that day and didn't actually make a video of me planting it, but here's some video of it, and it did choke up in a couple places. We had to readjust it, and once we got it set really good to where it was planting constantly, we got it to plant. Now that you've seen how this corn was planted, this is a couple weeks afterwards. It has come up pretty good, actually. There's a lot of grass that's still in here, so we're gonna use the old hand tools today. We're gonna get rid of this grass. Then we're gonna row it up a little better with another tool I have, but we're gonna do it all by hand. So let's get to it. As y'all can see, this is some hard back-breaking labor because I didn't plant these wide enough to get my tractor through all this, so I'm having to do it by hand. Now, a buddy of my brother's, who's also a subscriber to the channel, don't remember your name, but what's up, man? Said, don't forget. Actually, he said, don't forget. He said, don't be scared to show the struggle bus days. Well, here you go. We're struggling. We're having to do this by hand. So let me get all this done, and we'll get right back to you. All right, there's no way I'm doing all this. So let's do a little experiment. I'm gonna go half of weeding it, half of not. Let's see if it makes a difference. Let me finish up real quick. All right, now that we got about half of it weeded, this part didn't really need it because it's pretty good. But half of it weeded out in the middle. Let's take our cup, which Mississippi State Bulldogs. They made it to Omaha. Let's see how far they can go. Let's get our 3300. Fill our cup up. Gonna have to do this a couple times, but I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit as I go. All right, so all in all, I'm actually really happy with how that International Harvester planter I bought planted this corn, but we did learn our lesson today. Don't plant your corn too close together, because I do have a cultivator for my tractor, but I can't drive it through here because we're gonna end up ripping up rows of corn. So next time, think when I'm planting the corn and not just think I can get more in one area. So now that we've weeded half of it, we've fertilized all of it, to do our little experiment, since the that's no fun to do by hand, so I didn't do the whole thing. We'll keep y'all updated. We'll give you another update in about, let's go about a month or so, and we'll come back around, take a look at it, see what worked, what didn't work. We're gonna learn some stuff. Maybe we can teach y'all some stuff too. So until next time, I'll see you on the farm.